Hi guys, welcome back to Fellas Haven. Today we're going to be working on a French seam. So when working with a French seam, you want to make sure that your wrong sides are facing each other because we're going to be working from the right side. When you do that, when you have made sure that your wrong sides are facing each other, you want to measure your seam allowance. And I'm just going to be using a 1 centimeter seam allowance that I'm going to be sewing from the right side. So when you're sewing, just make sure that you do the back stitches to fasten your seams. After that, I'm going to mark a 0.5 seam so that I'll be able to cut that off and trim it. So here I'm just showing you guys how I'm marking the 0.5 from the seam that I've sewn, and now I'm just going to trim that off. Please don't forget to like if you're enjoying this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can be part of the family. After doing this, you can go ahead and press flat your seam, and then you press also on the wrong side. As you can see, the seam from the wrong side, that is how it's going to look. When you're done, you're going to press it again so that your right sides can be facing. Now we are working with the wrong side. You're going to sew a 1 centimeter seam allowance on the wrong side now. Don't forget to do your back stitch so that you're able to fasten your seam. When you're done, give it a good press, iron everything flat. This is how it's going to be looking like from the wrong side, and from the right side it's just going to be looking clean and nice. You can use this to also neaten your raw edges when you don't have an overlocking sewing machine, or when you just want this clean, neat finish.